Hello and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can delete your reposts on TikTok. But before getting started, do remember to support our channel by clicking the like button, subscribing and turning on your notification bells so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your TikTok application on your mobile. Now to repost a video, you'll simply tap on the share button and then you'll be able to see the repost option. Tap on it. Sometimes you will also see tap to repost option that appears when the video pops up on your For You page. If you simply tap on it, this video will be reposted and other people that you're friends with on TikTok will be able to see your reposts on TikTok. Now, if you accidentally repost a video and you want to remove this video from your repost, go ahead and visit your profile. Simply tap on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Under this, you'll be able to see the section of repost. You'll see the repost icon in the middle of the navigation bar. Tap on it. Now all that you've reposted will appear on this very page. So if you want to delete a repost, simply tap on the video that you'd like to remove the repost on. Now go ahead and tap on the share icon again. Now you'll be able to see this option that says remove repost. If you tap on it, this video will be removed from your repost. Now if you go ahead and go back, you'll see that your repost has been deleted, and this is how you can delete a repost on TikTok. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.